Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. We're diving into 50 mind-blowing facts that will leave you shocked, amazed, and maybe even questioning reality. Stick around till the end because I promise, number 50 will absolutely blow your mind. Let's get started. Did you know sharks are older than trees? Sharks have been around for more than 400 million years, while the first trees appeared only 350 million years ago. Bananas are actually berries, but strawberries aren't. Botanically speaking, it's the complete opposite of what most people think. An octopus has 3 hearts, and 2 of them stop beating when it swims. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Sloths can slow their heart rate and stay underwater for up to 40 minutes, while dolphins average around 10. The Eiffel Tower grows taller in summer. Heat expands the metal, making it about 15 centimeters taller. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs, still edible after 3,000 years. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. This helps it stay in place and mark territory. Your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days so that it doesn't digest itself. There's a species of jellyfish that can technically live forever. It regenerates its cells when threatened. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. One rotation takes 243 Earth days, while its orbit around the Sun takes 225. The fingerprints of a koala are so similar to humans that they can confuse crime scene investigators. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. This happens in a process called triple point. Your body has more bacteria cells than human cells. You're basically a walking ecosystem. Cows have best friends and get stressed when separated from them. If you shuffle a deck of cards properly, chances are that exact order has never existed before in history. Pineapples take about 2 years to grow. Yup, patience is key for that fruit. A cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. They look fluffy, but they're packed with water droplets. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. Strange, but true. It helps them survive underwater. The inventor of the Pringles can was buried in one. His family honored his request after he passed away in 2008. If you could fold a piece of paper 42 times, it would reach the moon. That's the power of exponential growth. Butterflies can taste with their feet. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way, about 3 trillion trees versus 100 to 400 billion stars. A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Octopuses can taste what they touch because their tentacles have sensory cells. The heart of a blue whale is so big that a human could swim through its arteries. There's a species of mushroom that can create zombies in ants. It controls their brains. The longest time between 2 twins being born is 87 days. Alaska is the westernmost, northernmost, and easternmost state of the US because the Aleutian Islands cross the 180-degree meridian. The human nose can remember 50,000 different scents. A cockroach can live for a week without its head. It only dies because it can't drink water. Saturn's moon Titan has lakes of liquid methane. There are more possible moves in a game of chess than atoms in the universe. The fingerprints of identical twins are not identical. Dolphins have names. They use unique whistles to identify each other. Your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve stainless steel. In Japan, there's a train that leaves 5 seconds early, and the company publicly apologized for it. Lobsters don't grow old. They keep growing and can live more than 100 years. A day on Earth was once only 18 hours long, billions of years ago. The first oranges weren't orange. They were green. The human brain has more connections than the number of stars in the galaxy. Some cats are allergic to humans. You are taller in the morning than at night because gravity compresses your spine throughout the day. Sea otters hold hands when they sleep so they don't drift apart. The fingerprints of lemurs are so similar to humans that they could also confuse investigators. There's a species of frog that can be completely frozen and then come back to life when it thaws. In space, metal can fuse together without heat. This is called cold welding. The human body has enough iron to make a small nail. Some people are born with an extra rib, called a cervical rib. And finally, the entire internet weighs about the same as a single strawberry. All those billions of connections, compressed into electrons, barely add up to anything. And that's it. 50 facts that prove reality is way stranger than fiction. Which fact blew your mind the most? Comment below. I'd love to know. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.